Hello, everyone, and welcome back to The Fluent Voice. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Johnny. We're very happy you're here today.
In this lesson, we're going to practice speaking English at a restaurant.
Yes, a very common, very useful situation. Everyone eats at a restaurant sometimes, right?
Yes, Johnny, I hope so.
So today, we'll help you feel confident ordering food in English.
We'll go slowly, we'll explain new phrases, and we'll practice together.
So relax, listen carefully, and speak with us.
Okay, let's imagine this. You walk into a restaurant.
You're a little hungry.
Maybe very hungry.
Yes, very hungry.
A waiter comes to you and says, "Hello, table for one?"
This is a very common question. Table for one means, do you need a table for one person?
If you are alone, you say, "Yes, table for one, please." Repeat after me. If you are with a friend, you can say,
Table for two, please. Repeat.
Notice we say please. It makes your sentence polite.
Always say please. Restaurants love polite customers.
Okay, let's imagine this. You walk into a restaurant.
The waiter says, "Here is your menu."
The menu is the paper with food and drinks.
Very important paper.
Yes, very important. The waiter might ask, "Would you like something to drink?" This means, "Do you want a drink?"
You can answer, "Yes, I'd like some water, please." Repeat. Or, "I'd like a coffee, please." Repeat.
"I'd like some" is very useful. It is polite and natural.
Okay, now you're ready to order.
The waiter comes back and says, "Are you ready to order?"
If you are ready, you say, "Yes, I'm ready." Repeat.
Then you say, "I'd like the chicken, please." Repeat.
Notice we say the chicken. We use the because it's on the menu.
Good point, Johnny.
Thank you, Jessica. I try. Let's practice a short conversation.
Hello, table for one?
Yes, table for one, please.
Here is your menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some water. Now you try. Jessica will be the waiter. You answer.
Are you ready to order? Would you like anything to drink?
Very good. Even if your English is not perfect, speak. Speaking builds confidence.
Sometimes you have questions about the food.
Yes, maybe you don't eat meat.
You can ask, "Is this vegetarian?" Repeat.
Or, what do you recommend? This means, what food do you suggest? Repeat.
You can also say, "Can I see the menu again?" Repeat. Okay, small problem. Your food is cold.
Oh no. Yes, it happens sometimes. You can say, "Excuse me, this is cold." Repeat.
Or, "Sorry, I ordered chicken. This is beef." Repeat.
Stay calm. Be polite.
Yes, smile. Restaurants want to help you. Now you are finished eating. You want to pay.
In American English, we say check. In British English, we say bill.
You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Repeat. Or, "Can I get the check, please?" Repeat. Very simple, very useful. Let's do one full conversation. Listen first. Hello, table for one?
Yes, table for one, please.
Here is your menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some water.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'm ready. I'd like the grilled chicken.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you. Here's your food. Enjoy. Thank you. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll be right back. Now you try. Jessica will speak. You answer. Leave natural 5 to 6 second pauses between each line. Today we learned how to ask for a table, order food, ask questions, pay the bill. Very important life skills. Remember, don't be afraid to speak.
Even simple English is powerful.
Practice a little every day.
Consistency builds confidence.
Clarity builds fluency.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.